kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Tools in repairing worn-out parts of clothes. Measuring tools. Ruler. Ruler is used to measure short sizes and connect straight lines. Tape measure. Tape measure is used in taking body measurement. Cutting tools. Cutting shear. Cutting shear has a length of 8 to 9 inches and it is used for cutting long fabrics. Scissors. Scissors is shorter than shears. It is used for shaping short curves, trimming, and cutting buttonholes. Ripping or thread clip scissor. Ripping or thread clip scissor has short blades used for ripping of stitches and seams. Trimming scissors. Trimming scissors is used for cutting and trimming threads. Seam ripper. Seam ripper is a wire rod with a hook in one end, which is used to remove the seams or stitches. Marking tools. Tailor's chalk. Tailor's chalk is used to transfer the marks from the pattern to the fabric. Pencil. Pencil is used to mark the patterns on the fabric in the absence of a tailor's chalk. Tracing wheel. Tracing wheel is used together with a carbon paper to transfer pattern marks on the fabric. Other sewing tools. Pins. Pins are used to hold the pieces of temporary materials together, such as the pattern paper and the fabric. Hand needle. Hand needle is used for making stitches and buttonholes. Thimble. Thimble is used to push the needle and to protect the middle finger from getting pricked. Emery bag. Emery bag is a small sandbag that cleans the rusty and sticky pins and needles. Pin cushion. Pin cushion is used to hold the pins and needles when they are not in use. Thread. Thread is used to keep the fabrics together. Sewing bags. Sewing bags is a container where all the tools and materials in sewing are placed. Once again, these are the tools in repairing worn-out parts of clothes. Measuring tools such as ruler and tape measure. Cutting tools such as cutting shear, scissors, ripping or thread clip scissor, trimming scissors, and seam ripper. Marking tools such as tailor's chalk, pencil, and tracing wheel. And these are the sewing tools: pins, hand needle, thimble, emery bag, pin cushion, thread, and sewing bags. Choose the correct answer that corresponds to the statement. To actively participate in this activity, you may write your answer in the comment section. It is used to connect and measure short straight lines. A. Protractor, B. Ruler, C. Tape measure. It's letter B. Ruler. It is used in taking body measurements. A. Protractor. B. Ruler. C. Tape measure. It's tape measure, letter C. It is shorter than shears and it is used for trimming and cutting. A. Scissors. B. Trimming scissors. C. Thread clip scissor. It's letter A. Scissors. It is used for cutting and trimming threads. A. Scissors. B. Trimming scissors. C. Thread clip scissor. The answer is trimming scissors, letter B. It has short blades used for ripping of stitches and seams. A. Scissors. B. Trimming scissors. C. Thread clip scissor. It's letter C. Thread clip scissor. It is used for cutting long fabrics. A. Cutting shear. B. Trimming scissors. C. Thread clip scissor. It's letter A. Cutting shear. It is a wire rod with a hook in one end, which is used to remove the seams or stitches. A. Ripping. B. Trimming scissors. C. Seam ripper. The answer is seam ripper, letter C. It is used to transfer the marks from the pattern to the fabric. A. Pencil. B. Tailor's chalk. C. Tracing wheel. The answer is B. Tailor's chalk. It is used together with the carbon paper to transfer pattern marks on the fabric. A. Pencil. B. Tailor's chalk. C. Tracing wheel. The answer is tracing wheel, letter C. It is used to mark the patterns on the fabric in the absence of a tailor's chalk. A. Pencil. B. Tailor's chalk. C. Tracing wheel. It's letter A. Pencil. It is used to protect one's finger from getting pricked by the needle when sewing. A. Thimble. B. Thread. C. Sewing backs. It's thimble, letter A. It is a container where all the materials in sewing are placed. A. Thimble. B. Thread. C. Sewing backs. And the answer is sewing backs, letter C. It is used to keep the fabrics together. A. Thimble, B. Thread, C. Sewing backs. It's letter B. Thread. It is used to hold the pins and needles when they are not in use. A. Emery bag, B. Pin cushion, C. Sewing backs. And the answer is pin cushion, letter B. It is used to clean the rusty and sticky pins and needles. A. Emery bag, B. Pin cushion, C. Sewing backs. It's letter A. Emery bag. Identify the sewing tools. You may also write your answer on your notebook. Trimming scissors. Ruler. Cutting shear. Tape measure. Seam ripper. Thread clip scissor. Scissors. Hand needle. Emery bag. Thread. Tracing wheel. Thimble. Tailor's chalk. Beans. Sewing bags.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.